And I'm here to talk about new commission for December. And basically this month the base commission and the spiff is no change. And the only change this month we focus on the feature ARPU. And this month we will make the change for the feature ARPU bonus from before that when we have the $5, $6, $7, and now we change to flat rate on $8. When you make the $8 ARPU, then you will automatically earn the $10 feature bonus. And on top of it, in order for you to be able to sell more feature, we also offer you additional bonus on the features. So on the features that is $29.99 or below, then currently you earn 3 times. But in this month, if your ARPU is over $8, then we will pay 5 times instead of 3 times. So for example, when you activate a $10 feature, back then you only earn $30, and now you have a chance to earn $50, plus you also earn the $10 bonus, feature bonus on each activation. Okay, so that is the major change for this month, and our goal is to hit the feature ARPU $10 or higher. Okay, but all you need to do is to hit $8, and you have a potential to earn that extra $20 on the 2 times on the feature commission, and $10 feature bonus on the post-pay activation. Okay, so any question, contact your account manager, and we will go over that with you, or you can see the details in your commission news flash. Okay, thank you.